Hello everyone, my name's Mimi and welcome back to my channel where I talk all things beauty, fashion, DIY, style, and occasionally I will vlog. I am going to be showing you how I created this beautiful makeup look right here on my face using some new products and some old ones. But this look was entirely inspired by this new About Face pigment right here. This is the new color in their Avant Pop collection. This is the color Crocodile Rock. It's hard for me to see the little print, but this is Crocodile Rock, and it's this beautiful green on my eyeballs. I love it. It's such a beautiful teal green shade. And I paired this look with my Finny and Faye earrings. I'll have a link to their Etsy shop below in the description. But if you want to see how I create this look, keep watching. Okay, so I have already done my skincare by priming with the Carpe face and sweat absorbing lotion, this one. And then I used my tinted sunscreen BB cream, the Australian Gold, and I color corrected with my newest product that I am super happy about. It also doubles as my concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer HD High Definition, this one, in the shade Peach. So I've done all that, and now I'm going to move on to eyebrows. And I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued and my Revlon color pencil, so go into this. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my eyes, and I'm going to be using a combination of powders and shadows. So first I'm going to set my eyelids with my e.l.f. Halo Glow powder. Okay, now I'm going to get into eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using the Festival palette by C Color. And I'm going to be using this beautiful orange shade right there, that orangey brown. I love that color. Oh my god, it's like my favorite transition shade of all time. Now I'm going to be using a glitter. I'm going to be using that one right there, the very neutral one. And my finger. And I'm just going to be placing this on the inner part of my lid, actually all over my lid. That's done. I'm going to move on to the star of this look, which is the Crocodile Rock About Face pigment, and this is one of their new shades for spring summer. It's so pretty. Let me put some of this on my hand. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? Such a beautiful, beautiful teal green shade. And I'm going to be using a nail art brush, and I'm going to do a wing. Take it right off my hand. Pretty. Look at that color. Wow. I love it. Let's see what it looks like behind my glasses. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna finish the other eye and my mascara off camera, and I will be right back with the rest of this look. My eyes are done, and for my mascara, I use the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational in Noir Cosmic Black. Noir Cosmic is French. So let's move on to cheeks. So for cheeks, I really want to use this Juvias Place Liquid Blush in Peach Rose, and I'm going to put a little on my hand, and I'm also going to use this on my lips as well for my lipstick because I really love that monochromatic look. So let's see how this turns out. Dab on my hand and on my lips and cheeks. I love that eyeliner. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I need a mirror. Okay, have my mirror, and let's go on with this blush. Just need a tiny bit of this. This is the first time I'm actually using it in a look, so let's see how this goes. Oh, that's bright. Very, very bright. But oh, so pretty. And all I didn't even use everything I put on. Ooh, so pretty. On my finger, so that's how little of this you need. This blush is so ridiculous. Alright, I'm gonna powder over this. Give me a second to clean myself up. Okay, now I can powder. I'm going to be using a combination of the Health Alo Glow and the Maybelline Fit Me. So, here we go. Did this powder tone it down a little? Let's see. Powder has a tendency to shear things down. Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty powdered. I really like it. This blush is intense. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my matte blush. My matte powder, sorry. I just need a tiny bit of this. I don't need very much. I'm just gonna use it on my T-zone. Okay, I'm gonna spray with my Maybelline setting spray. Generously. And while I let that dry, I'm gonna go use what's left of my blush on my lips. Okay. I do not like this on my lips. I'm going to come up with a different color for my lips. I will be right back. Okay, for my lips, I decided to use my NYX Fat Oil in Supermodel, which is this beautiful kind of peachy pink, but it's over top of the stain that this stuff left on my lips. So it's a beautiful combination of the two, and it's really, really pretty. I really like it. Okay, so this is my finished look. And if you watched the beginning of the video, you already know what the finished look is. But if you like this kind of tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you don't, give me a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.